The Tesco app pinged with my digital receipt as I walked out of the store. Total, £78.40. Last week, almost the same shop was £64. I assumed prices had nudged up a bit. I didn't expect it to jump like that. I stood by the trolley bay and opened the receipt. The red Clubcard Price labels were still on most of the items, but a few weren't. First tightening moment was the cereal. Last week it was £2.50 with Clubcard. Now it was £3.80. The shelf label had changed. The yellow ticket was gone. Just the standard price sitting there. In my head I shrugged it off. Offers rotate. It'll be back next week. It's only one item. Then I scrolled further down the receipt. The chicken fillets. £5 with Clubcard last week, £6.75 today. Old shop, £64. This one, £78.40. Same bags, same basics. Second tightening moment was realizing nothing had been misscanned. I checked each line. No mistakes, no double charges. The difference wasn't an error. It was the absence of the lower price. Clubcard Price had quietly dropped off. I told myself I must have caught a good week before. Maybe I'd timed it well. Maybe this is just normal fluctuation. Then I opened the Tesco app and searched the items. Some still had Clubcard deals. Some didn't. The ones without it just showed a plain price. No note saying, offer ended. No warning in the basket before I paid. Just the higher number at the till. Third tightening moment came when I compared it to last month's receipt. I keep them in the app. Scroll back far enough, and you see patterns. The same pasta had been 95p with Clubcard. Now it was 40p. The same washing pods had been £6 with Clubcard. Now, £8, 50p. Individually, they don't feel dramatic. Together, they shift the total. I tried to steady it. Prices are up everywhere. That's just shopping now. But then I looked at the shelf photos I'd taken last week for a recipe. The red Clubcard price tag had an end date printed in small text. It was yesterday. Fourth tightening moment was that tiny line. The offer hadn't changed while it was in my basket. It ended before I walked back in. No reminder, no last chance ping. Just a new standard price waiting on the shelf. And the biggest shift wasn't one item. It was the way the total crept. £2 here, £1.80 there, £1.75 somewhere else. By the time you tap your card, it's £14 more than you expected. Then, the final bit. At the bottom of the receipt it showed, you saved £9.60 with Clubcard. Saved. But last week, the you saved line was higher, and the total was lower. Nothing dramatic has changed. The aisles are the same. The red labels are still there. But the lower price was the offer. The higher one is what's left when it's gone. And most of the time, you only notice when the total feels heavier at the exit.